Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Rock With Me. The song is Hood Boy, the artist is Fantasia, and the choreography is Bernadette, Burnette. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you would like the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Just click on it and the instruction will come up. And here we go.
Home, if you got somebody waiting, baby, go home, don't wanna jeopardize and take it maybe later. You shake the haters and it's busy. You say you want to do the same thing, then get with me. If not, then quit me. I know you know the history. Ride round looking real crispy. Ride round town, top down on the grizzly. Grind all the time to stay hot and even sizzling. I thought I told you, we run stop sign. Cause we don't stop till the cop knocking, try to block shine. Not mine, twine, gun, rhyme, wide, like sunshine and hold up for summertime.
Life is and changes always in the trap and the sun. I need a hood boy. Go ahead, baby. We gon' run through it and make something of it. I need a hood boy. Hot boys, street boys, beat boys, and I love you, boy. Yeah.
Is that how to what? Rock with me. Thank you. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.